Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Android Studio on your Windows 10 operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Android Studio download. So just simply go to the official site of Android Studio. That's going to open this official site of Android Studio. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will get this Android Studio Water 2 feature drop as our latest version at the time of making of this video. So you need to click on this download button that will show you these terms and conditions. You can read this and then you need to scroll down and you need to accept this license agreement and you need to click on this download Android Studio. So that's going to immediately start downloading your Android Studio. It's going to take some time, so let's wait for a few minutes over here. Just simply click on this installer. You can minimize your browser. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. Welcome to Android Studio setup. Click on next. Here I recommend you to uncheck this Android virtual device because we are going to use our Android phone itself to run the app that we are going to build. No need to worry, everything I am going to show you on this video itself. So uncheck this and click on next. Click on next again and click on install. That's going to immediately start installing our Android Studio. And there you go. You can see it is rightly installed. Click on next. And let's click on finish. That's going to start our Android Studio. So here is our Android Studio Water 2 feature drop. Here you can just simply click on send user statistics. That's going to only help to improve their product. And there you go. Welcome to Android Studio. Click on next. Here I'll recommend you to proceed with custom installation. So click on custom and click on next. As I told you, uncheck this Android virtual device. We don't need any virtual device. We'll also don't need any Android emulator also. So uncheck these both the two options and click on next. Click on next again. This is license agreement. Accept it and click on next. And it's going to immediately start installing our Android Studio. So first it's going to download some of the files and then it's going to install. So it's going to take some time. You need to have active internet connection during this installation. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that it is finished downloading our Android Studio and our Android SDK is now up to date. So everything is fine, just simply click on finish. Welcome to Android Studio. Let's maximize it. Just simply click on this plus icon to create a new project. Here let's proceed with empty activity and click on next. Try to provide a project name. So let's give the project name as welcome to Android. And minimum SDK is currently selected as API 24 if you want to change to something little latest version. So like currently API 24 going to support about 99.2% of the devices, and you can proceed with API 28 maybe, that is Android 9 Pie. So about 95.3% of the devices is going to support, which is a decent one. So I'm going to proceed with that, and it will be Kotlin, which is also a recommended language in these days. So we are going to proceed with Kotlin and going to click on finish. We are going to start creating our project. So it's going to take some time to load all the components and set this project for use. So have some patience. It's going to take some time, maybe 5 minutes, to get fully loaded. Just wait for some time over here. So you can see it is importing some of the packages. So wait for some time to get all the background tasks get done. So our syncing is done now. Now it is setting up and running some of the configurations. So now wait for a few more minutes. And there you go. You can see finally it is done. So you can expand this app and you will get a Kotlin plus Java folder. So you can expand that as well, and you can expand this package and you will get this main activity.kt. So that exact file is opened over here. And now I'm going to show you how to run this project right on your Android phone. So for that, first you need to click on these node devices, and that will show you these paired devices using Wi-Fi. So we're going to use our Wi-Fi to connect with our phone and laptop over the same network. So click on these paired devices over Wi-Fi, and here is our QR code. Now let's jump onto our Android phone and go to settings and click on my phone. Then scroll down a little, you will get version info. Go there and you will get build number over here. So keep on clicking this build number. So see, 3 steps away from being a developer, 2 steps away, one step away from being a developer, and finally you are a developer. So you need to confirm by putting your pattern, and now you are a developer. Next you need to go back and scroll down. You will get system, open that, and scroll down again, and you will get developer options over here. So go inside. See, now you have developer options enabled. Next step that you need to do is you need to enable this wireless debugging. So enable that. Always allow on this network. Click on allow, and it is rightly done now. Next thing that you need to check is your phone and your laptop must be connected over same network. Once you have that, next you need to press and hold this wireless debugging. That's going to show you this screen. Here to proceed with pair devices with QR code, and use the scanner to scan this QR code, so it's going to immediately start pairing your device. See, it's rightly started to connect to that device. And there you go. It is connected. Success. Just simply click on close. And here is our devices also rightly recognized. Now all you need to do is to click on this run button. It's going to immediately start building our application and going to install it on our Android phone. So our building is completed. It started installing our application on our phone. And here is our application. Hello Android, launched on our phone. So if you update something on your code, so like for this name variable, if you update instead of hello Android, if you make hello Geeky script subscriber and click on this rerun button, it's going to install our app again on our phone and going to show you hello Geeky script subscriber. So whatever you have written, so that's going to show you on your phone, and you are going to see that application installed on your phone just like any other app. Similarly, I have built one more application called this quiz app. This is just a basic demonstration of application that you can create on Android Studio. This is just a basic quiz app. So what is the capital of France? You give Paris. Then which planet is known as a red planet? Again it is Mars. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? So it is William Shakespeare. So you can see correct. Then what is the boiling point of water? Again it's 100, but I'm going to give some another answer so that it shows incorrect. So you can see it is wrong, and my score it shows 3 out of 4. So this type of applications or even much more better application you can obviously create using Android Studio, and you can run that on your Android phone. So soon I'm going to post more videos on Android Studio on this channel. So please do subscribe this channel. You can also join our community and also mention on our comment sections whether you are loving these videos. I really love reading all of your comments. Please do comment, that's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. I'm sure you're going to love all these different projects that I have created. Or if you're interested on WordPress, so for that also I have this playlist. So do follow my other videos, I'm sure you're going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. God bless you all.